Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again with me Muhammad Faisal Hafiz. Today is Thursday and we are in the musola right now after English class and the raining is calm. So we just take from the water, take from the rain and go to the musola. And this is the situation of Kak Faruk, Mr. Faruk class, and you can see here they are waiting for the raining first stop, and this is actually a tahfiz class, but I don't know. We are separate Mr. Faruk class in here in Musala, and Mr. Sidik class in the another like gazebo, and Kak Farhan class on the most in the most under when we usually study there, and we don't know where's the coach or our mentor will come. The rain still. I'll show you this person. Actually, this is the city of Bogor, rain city. So you can see a bit. The rain already not with a high intensity, but let's wait. I just memorizing my Quran because what again? Where is what is oh wow, the rain is gonna getting worse again. You can heard it with your ear, right? The water is dripping from the sky. You already learned about what's happening. It's raining, how the process of raining. They're like, I don't know what the English, but of course there's alamiah. There's the intention of what's happened in the rain. Noise, they are getting by. Okay, maybe that's all about the talk today. Goodbye, guys.